Hello, today we're making stir-fry Assam prawns. It's very simple to make. We're going to pan-fry the prawns until fragrant and then coat it with a sweet, savory and tangy sauce. First, clean and devein the prawns. If you're not sure how to do this, you can follow the link in the description below to watch my video on the steps. This is tamarind paste, which is the main ingredient for this recipe. Scoop out 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste. If you prefer a richer flavor, you can add more. It is sour, so if you're going to add more, you need to balance the tanginess with more sugar. Add some water and squeeze out as much juice as possible. Then add brown sugar and mix well. In a wok, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Leave the prawns to fry on one side. Once the shell turns golden orange in color, flip them over and fry the other side. Again, when the prawn shell turns golden orange, remove the prawns. Don't wash the wok, we want the fragrant oil from the fried prawns. Add another 2 tablespoons of oil. Add garlic, ginger and shallots. Fry until fragrant. Add back the prawns. Then add the tamarind sauce. Toss a few times. Then add dark soy sauce and season with salt and sugar. Toss a few times. Then add coriander. That's it. It's very simple. Hope you enjoy this recipe. See you next time.